Okay. How can you not be in the Christmas spirit after shooting a video like that? I mean, come on. After an awesome time at the Christmas market, my brother's girlfriend decided to surprise us all by bringing over her two little kittens. What do you think, Kay?
Yeah, and there's one on the right. Yeah.
All right. Enough of that cuteness, all right? Let's get back to the cinematics.
Quiet nights, we hold them tightly. Glimmering, your eyes shines brightly. More than gold is worth. Hope has taken birth. This is where we come alive. We can make a moment last. Slow it down, don't you go too fast. Let your heart feel something. Let your heart feel something. Overcome, replace the shyness. Words forming out of the silence. Love will make us fall, but you can have it all.
Hey, welcome back to Pro Tips with Jonah. I'm your host, Jonah. And so we're going to be talking about that little prism effect that you guys saw in those two little cinematic sequences there, and how you guys can do it too for very cheap. There's a new company that just started, and they're trying to sell these bad boys for $100 US. And I'm like, nah, I am not paying that, alright? So this is my little method here. You get one of these $25 prisms online, okay, on Amazon. 25 bucks, maybe even 20. Then you find one of these 1/4 inch screw threads, okay? I just had one lying around the house. And then you hot glue it. Pretty temporary solution, but hey, it does the trick, okay? And then you get one of these $10 magic arms here, articulating arms, okay? And then you just thread it in. Okay, just like that. Got a magic arm and your prism. You screw it in to the top of your camera, and then you position it in front of your lens, like so, and then boom, you got some nifty in-camera prism effects. What? Okay, yeah. So that yeah. Pro tips with Jonah. See you in the next one.